All right, guys, we have a very important update here for NVTS. I want to talk about NVTS because of what a big deal it is that this stock moved over 12% on the day. This is important to take note of, right? Every time that the market gets a massive, massive pump, every single time Trump tacos, right, he puts a whole soft taco from Taco Bell in his mouth. He just goes, oh, he's fat and he's orange and he's like, I'm going to eat my tacos. Sure, I deported the people that make tacos, but goddamn. All right, jokes aside, you guys know me. I had to make a joke there about tacos, but yeah, I mean, guys, this is every time this guy tacos NVTS. How does it react? Exactly, it reacts by pumping 10% plus, 15%. What does that tell you? I want you to think about that. What does that tell you? Right? If nobody gave a damn about NVTS, people wouldn't buy. It would be in the red today if people didn't care about it, but they do care. People are buying. Someone's buying, a lot of buying, by the way, because it takes quite a bit of selling pressure to send it up 15%. If me and you and my Discord, and if I could get me and all my subscribers to buy NVTS and move the needle, I mean, let's all just buy in and pump it 15%. I mean, Discords would be doing that left and right. Communities would come together just to pump a stock like that, but we don't have that kind of power. So, big money is loading this thing, and that's because they know A, this thing is worth so much more than where it's at. It's at a massive discount from 17, and just continue to accumulate dollar cost average. Don't think about it. Just dollar cost average. Don't worry about trying to time it and hold. That's really the big takeaway here. Apart from the fact that every time we get a massive pump, NVTS moves like 12 to 15%. So just imagine what's going to happen once we go into an actual bull run. That's the big This is a big deal. This is a big deal because from $8 or even from $9 to 17, that's 100%. And I mean, it can go beyond 17. Maybe it goes to 25, 30. We don't know. We don't know how far it's going to go up in a bull run. But the last time I mean, towards the end of the bull run, we went to 17, right? Towards the end of the bull run, we went to 17. So what's going to happen in the next bull run? Who knows? Maybe it just goes back to 17. But either way, even from $10 to 17, 70% is not bad. That's not bad at all. I get that people want to make 300, 5,000%, whatever. But I think this is a buy and hold, accumulate. It's been going sideways here for a long time. It's literally just waiting for the next bull run cycle. And I believe in the next bull run cycle, this thing can hit at the very least 18. If we break above 18, let me check the historical pattern here. Yeah, if we break 18, we go to 22. And then from 22, I mean, the sky's the limit, 25, 30. So again, that's the power of a bull run. This is why people love bull runs, because everything keeps going up. As of right now, though, NVTS, it's just going sideways here along the purple line. Every time it comes under the purple line, it's a buy, and then you can just flip it real quick for like 20% over and over and over again. I mean, you can do that too. That's actually quite a bit of money. If you bought at the purple line here and flipped it, that's, I mean, 20% there. You did it again here, flipped it again for another 20%. I mean, you bought here and again flipped. I mean, you could just keep flipping this for 20% every single time this thing touches the purple line. Just buy and set a take profit at 20%, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. You could have made like 100% plus already, right? That's another way to make 100% return. You don't gotta wait for the big 100% move to 17. You don't gotta sit there and wait for the bull run. I mean, with the way this thing is moving along the purple line, buy under the purple line and just set a take profit at 20% return. Rinse and repeat 5 times, 100% return, bam. Might as well abuse this pattern. I've been doing this with APLD. APLD is also another volatile stock that you can do this with, right? Anything volatile like this has this kind of volatility. Buy when it goes under the purple line, buy when it's under the trading range. We're at the bottom of the trading range, and hold for 20%. Rinse and repeat. I think this is going to be a company that's going to be back at 18 and beyond. I just don't see how. This, Soundhound, and many others are going to perform very well, right? Nobody right now is talking. Remember, guys, you know what's funny? Let me just say this before I go. Don't forget that not too long ago, people were talking about the AI bubble, the AI bubble. Oh no, the AI bubble, it's over, it's going to burst, everything's going to go to zero, right? Why aren't people talking about the AI bubble anymore? Oh, because of the Iran situation, because of the war, the military operation. Once the Iran war thing came along, everybody just forgot about the AI bubble. Like, isn't that funny? So all these headlines, ignore most of them. They're just noise. They're just manipulation, right? Just ignore them and focus on what the charts are telling you. Focus on what the company and the business are doing. Focus on the fundamentals, the financials, and so on and so forth, and the earnings as well. So I give this still, I maintain a buy rating with a sell target of 15, 20, and 25 for potential 50 to 150% return. If you're looking to flip it over and over again within the trading range, buy under the purple line, set a take profit at 20%, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Might as well use that pattern while it's still here. So yeah, that's it. I got nothing more to say. I'll see you in the next one.